Before we get to the tablet, let's do a brief walkthrough to get your smartphone ready for the new PTL app. When we are finished, you will be able to do everything on your smartphone that you can do on your tablet. If you are already using the PTL mobile app, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app to get the newest version of the app. iPhone users will need to go to the App Store, and Android users will need to go to the Google Play Store. As you review this tutorial, feel free to work along as we go. You can pause the video at any time. After opening the App Store, type in PTL mobile app and search. Select the app and press install. Place the app in a good location on your phone so it will be easy to find. You are going to be using it a lot. Now click on the app to log in. Select the option that reads, "My truck has a TransFlow tablet," and agree to the terms of service. Press the Accept button to begin registration. Enter your email address, your first name, and your last name, then click Next. Here the drivers will choose Log in. Enter your driver code, then press Next. Next, select the Open Apps Settings option. Select Permissions. Then select Location. Then select Allow all the time. Now back out of this menu by pressing the back button 3 times. Now you are looking at the new layout of the PTL app. To ensure you are using the correct app, look in the bottom left corner of the screen. If it reads PASCELD, you are in the right place. If not, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Just rewind the video and begin the process again. The final step of this process is log into your Hours of Service app. You will find the Hours of Service at the top of the screen. Press the HOS Login to begin. Once you open up your Hours of Service, don't be alarmed if you get a message that reads, "Invalid login credentials." Just press OK. Enter your email address on the top line. On the second line type in your password, which is the last 4 digits of your social security number repeated twice with no spaces. For example, if the last 4 digits is 5674, my password would be 56745674. When you are finished, click on the Save Password option and choose Login. Next you will be prompted to select your truck number. You can select it from the drop-down menu by scrolling down, or you can search for the truck number by typing it in at the top of the page. Once you find your truck in the menu, attach to your truck by selecting the corresponding circle next to the truck number. Next you will be prompted to select your trailer number. This is a similar process as choosing your truck number. Just press the plus button next to the trailer option. Press Save and continue. Finally, you may be asked to verify any previous day's logs. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and press the Verify All Days option. You will then be asked to certify. Press Agree. You can skip this option, but remember you will need to certify before taking off on the road. Press the Close button in the top left corner to bring you back to the main page. You are all set. Now you can use your phone to do everything you can do on your tablet. Thank you for watching.